So we start off today's video with this gorgeous ginger copper tone pixie cut. This one features one of the hottest looks, and that is of the asymmetrical pixie style. And I am absolutely loving this cut and color combination. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And today we're going to be taking a look at some haircut ideas. So here is another asymmetrical pixie cut. Beautiful, love this paired with her red lip. And then we see a hair transformation. So she decided to get a shoulder length cut with brown in the back and blonde money piece highlights in the front. Very cute. And then we see someone else who has an asymmetrical pixie, so she's going to be styling this. I love her hair color. It's really pretty platinum, another hot hair trend that we're seeing this year. And she's pretty much taking her flat iron and creating some texture. So pretty. I love the tousled effect that she created within the curls. And then we do see another long to short transformation. So it looks like the stylist did like a shoulder length bob here. Lots of waviness within the texture. And then we see another pixie style. This one features bangs in the front. Very cute. This is a very 90s inspired pixie. And then we see this bob haircut. So the stylist did end up cutting the hair even shorter, creating more of like a pixie shape. Beautiful. her bright blonde hair color is so pretty. This does feature swoop style bangs as well. And then we see someone with yellow hair. This is a very unique, bold color. And then we have another bob haircut transformation. Now this bob is obviously more of a classic. Gorgeous, beautiful blunt bob cuts. And then we see this pixie undercut style. So it looks like she's going to be trimming her hair. Nice little haircut refresh. It's always nice knowing that you can do your hair at home yourself. So she has her own clippers, so she's able to just kind of shave and shape up the style as she likes. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of the hairstyles featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.